Install the lock body. The fixing screws. Install the cylinder. It should be noted that the square spindle must be away from the door about 2 to 3 centimeters. Install the spindle. Install the panel screws. Pass the cable through the hole. Install the rear panel. You need to prepare 3 screws to install the rear panel. Also note that the anti-locking sheet needs to be cut to length according to the thickness of your door. Connect cables and then hide them in the door or lock. Install the fixing screws. Install battery. The last step is to install the back cover. Installation finished, then test. First, whether the unlocking is smooth. Whether the closing is smooth. Whether the indoor locking is smooth enough. And then test the fingerprint unlocking.